It's a guaranteed pistol. It's fucked.
Like,
XLG
bro.
have been good on these. So if you think there's a team that could,
It's okay. You can take it off emote mode. They're gonna be racist regardless.
Very much likely could be them. However, LEV still.
There they are.
Be careful here,
They know
Blows.
two garage.
He's there with
B's
the
wide open.
spike. Gonna spot
Blows,
out
chill.
one at least, and now a second.
Take our plan and we
No,
run.
it's
They already won the
bravado
pistol. It's fine.
aplenty, isn't it? The way they play,
Hold.
such confidence.
Hold.
Like,
Oh.
does everyone just whip on these guys? On
Oh my god, man. This team's pistol rounds are unreal.
We'll find the headshot.
Actually,
Another conversion here, flawless.
if this team only played pistol
They are
rounds,
so
I
good.
think
Oh,
they
man,
might
obviously tournament winners.
Second to none, Neon.
Yeah,
They've
exactly.
got to be leading this tournament so far. Surely.
Like, look at that.
Yeah, that is fucking quick.
Open as well. Just looking to pressure. Onto A-Long, gets beheaded.
I feel like those are the things that have to line up in an event to like win, though. Like
True.
winning a lot of
There's
pistols.
always a little bit of luck involved in every win.
And they
And now a
doesn't
second.
care.
No, it's
Legend.
bravado aplenty, isn't it? The way they play, such confidence.
What?
Happy way gonna find two.
Got the guy in the back. It's falling into his lap, dude.
It's just King left here in the pistol. No man will find the headshot. Another conversion here, flawless at that for XLG.
They are so good at pistol rounds. It is second to none, Neon. They've got to be leading this tournament so far. Surely.
Oh, what a first kill.
Shots are open as well. Just looking to pressure. Onto A-Long, gets beheaded. Can they stretch this a little
Comeback
further?
City. Lysor has 12
Followed
assists.
from round 3, it was 5.
That was him. Yeah, I've been speaking to him for the last 2 days. I had no idea. Max did with the prime. Appreciate the 2 months. Thank you, thank you. Dude, can they win a double pistol? G-Lai pistol record in playoffs might be the best I've ever seen, ever. Full stop. They've lost 1 in playoffs right now. That's unheard of.
Need to be careful here, Blows. Is there with the spike? Gonna spot out one at least, and now a second. No, it's bravado aplenty, isn't it? The way
Spike
they
is
play, such
owning.
confidence.
Oh, there we go. Nice little curse there.
Bro, they're so insane at them.
In the pistol.
It's non-stop.
You think in CS they do this cool thing where they have stats for players on maps? So like they're like, oh, they don't want to play this map against Simple because that's.
Sure, that's like his one.
I wonder if like it'd be cool if we could just get that so easy with pistols. Like who is it on their team that's just fucking farming every pistol?
Who farms the pistols? I mean, Dirk is farming Vitality pistols.
Oh,
I know that
he's
much.
always been so insane.
2発でしょうか。
まあ一人で来るからな、チェンバーは映画はな。
そうですね。
いや、そばで一人で勝つのでかすぎ。
取れるでしょうか。ガレージにリコンボルト移ってしまったノーマンはそのままブリンクアウト。その奥にハッピーウェイがいるのも視認しているブローズ。そして B 側のエントリーが始まりました。リンクにリレーボルトを入れながら、そしてこの A 側にプレッシャーをかけた佐藤に対して、ハッピーウェイがトリプルキルで返していく。
強い。ハッピーウェイピストルやべえな。
パーフェクトラウンド。
XLG のピストルのスタッツ見たい。
まずはレオですよね。
プレイヤーのスタッツ。
どういったキルに
多分やべえやつがいる。2人ぐらい。
あとはこのガレージ2見えたから。
まあ一人はハッピーウェイだろうけど。
もう一個言いたいんですけどね。やっぱいつも言ってるんですけど、ハッピーウェイこの選手から出るほど精密なエイムだなって。
Cara, não é possível, velho. Esses caras jogam muito com esses bonecos aí, velho. Vamos que vamos! 8 a 4 na primeira metade, agora round de pistol.
Ué,
pra equipe da LEV jogar no ataque.
Ghost, mas aí o Sliu quebrou o Neon ali, hein? Fazendo padrão, ele não tomou nem tiro, cara.
Não é possível que os caras vão ganhar mais um pistol.
Eles são bons, né?
Calma, XZ.
Esquisito, né? Ontem foram 5, né?
É, o azar deles é que não tem.
XLG está 12-1 em pistols.
É só 2 por mapa, né?
Tá aí, os playoffs.
Vamos lá! E aí, mais uma vez o spot do Blowzinho acaba
Aí, bem
pegando
curioso.
pelo menos um jogador. Ele já viu 2 ali pela DD, aí tem pressão pelo meio. Spikezinho que tá jogando demais.
Ó o King, ó. O King Não, não é não. Não plantamos. Happy Way. Pinadeiro.
E aí teve com certeza a pinadeira.
Caramba, mas nós é ruim no pistol.
E um round
Valeu.
perfeito da XLG.
É, cara, primeiro que teve uma kill inicial do Sliu em cima do Neon, que deu pra ver só o tapa que ele toma. E aí
Perdemos 2 pistas, hein, cara.
2 jogadores mirando em um e o Happy Way ainda quebra 3. Mas aí o Snil...
Olha aí, ó. Matou o Sato lá atrás sem querer.
Que ele acerta
calma aí.
Ele deu pré-fire, cara. Ele nem viu o Neon.
17/9 Spike.
Ele deu pré-fire no Neon. Bizarro, bizarro. Aí não tem muito o que posso fazer.
Pero, no sé, pienso por ejemplo, Loquín 2023 Brasil, no había ni un octavo de la gente que había. Solo cuando jugaba, claro, Laudo o algún team brasilero, pero en Santiago fue increíble porque inclusive los
pensé
días
que te habías caído o algo, tío.
Estaba aquí charlando un poquito.
¿De qué?
De la vida. ¿Sabes? Estaba tirándome una reflexión.
¿De la vida?
Sí.
Grande, ¿no?
Caer, morir.
Neon ha muerto el primero.
Lo ajusticiaban, pero hay chances.
Con arrow a la derecha, nunca rompe la arrow chilai, ¿eh? Tienen una alergia, creo. Es como la jubilona. Los arrows y reveals, bueno. No, son la especialidad de la casa.
Que de vez en cuando en ataque lo hemos visto brillar o de repente mostrar cosas.
Hola, disparado raro y mató al de atrás, ¿eh? Las pipas de chilai es un show, ¿eh? Miguel siempre gana las pipas chilai, ¿eh?
No sé cuántos llevan, pero deben tener como un 90% win rate o algo así.
XLG があまり得意なイメージのないこのヘブのディフェンダーサイドをどう過ごしていくのかですね。
さてディフェンダーサイドは特に仕掛けはしません。おっとレオがロングでのワンピックですか。
チェンバーのようなキルの取り方ですよね。キルログだけ見ていると、
はい、ちょうどピークしたタイミングでの2発でしょうか、頭に入れていきました。ヘッドハンターに勝つのもすごいですね。
そうですね。
またファーストラウンド取れるでしょうか。ガレージにリコンボルト移ってしまったノーマンは
これでジェットサイファーの位置分かったよ。
がいるのもシニシェルブローズ、そして B 側のエントリーが始まりました。リンクにリレーボルトを入れながら、そしてこの A 側にプレッシャーをかけた佐藤に対してハッピーウェイがトリプルキルで返していく。
どんだけピストル強いのこのチーム。今ので勝てんだ。
またピストル取りましたね。
また取りましたね。
まずはレオですよね。
どういったキルになったかです。
あとはこのガレージ2見えたから、
まるでガーディアン。
もう一個言いたいんですけどね、やっぱいつも言ってるんですけど、ハッピーこの選手か。
Mark has been drawn at 8-4 and Leo gonna find Neon. A good scalp to claim at a start of a pistol round.
โอ้ไอเฮียโบซื้อเชอรีฟมา
So if you think there's a team that could walk this scoreline back,
ระบายสีไม่อ้วนคืนนี้
However,
กูว่าดูแข่งเสร็จนอนเถอะจริงนะเว้ยมึงก็โหดเกิน
and now a second. No, it's bravado at plenty, isn't it? The way they play, such confidence.
โอ้โอ้ย
A third onto blows as well. It's just King left here in the pistol.
Oh.
No man will find the headshot. Another conversion here for